Conrad Layn Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question of the day is, can you make money on Turo? The answer is, of course, yes. But how do you go about doing it? There's many different ways. I'm gonna give you one secret that I've mentioned many times on my channel. Consider you're already on social media. You already probably have a Facebook, a Twitter, Instagram. And if you don't, get with the club and start one. Instead of scrolling up and down to other people's feeds, create a business one for yourself, a Facebook page. It could be an Instagram page, a Twitter page, even a LinkedIn, and let it be about your car. Instead of you, have pictures of your car, a gallery of your car, videos, hashtags, etc. Marketing your car. When you start Turo, that will put you ahead of most Turo hosts. Most Turo hosts do not do this. Most people have a social media account, but it has nothing to do with their business or is not really developed. Develop it like a business page. Have pictures of your car galleries. Have your Turo guests leave feedback on your Instagram or Facebook or wherever your car is posted, and let them give you a 5-star review. So you have marketing on both sides, and you build a track record on both social websites and also on Turo. You have to learn how to build business yourself. If you do that, regardless if Turo's having a bad year, bad month, they'll get leads for you, but you're also getting additional leads on top of that and marketing yourself and being findable on search engine optimization, Google, Bing, etc. on the search engines. Very important to do this. Quick tip for quick start success. Currently now.